Hey everybody, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder, crystals is now available. Finally got the video out. A lot of you guys have been asking about crystals. This DVD, this video will definitely give you really good insight and a lot of information on, crystals and, what's the truth about crystals in the process of getting them to work for you. So definitely check that out. If you are a member of Merkabah Academy, if you have the digital downloads free for a year. Well, Merkabah Academy is launching today, so check your email, check your junk mail as well for the activation code. So go ahead and register, put in the activation code, go to the silver account, put in the code, and you'll be able to log on and set up a profile page and everything. Check the homepage and watch the video on the homepage as well. But when you go to your page, you can see in your courses that you will have a whole video section with your videos on there. So the new DVDs will appear in this section. So it's already there for you guys once you go ahead and register. After you register, go and check your email to confirm your email, and you should be able to log right in with the login and password that you set up during registration. So Merkabah Academy is beginning to launch. It's still a lot more that's going to be added in the coming days and weeks, as I'll talk about in the video. So stay tuned for that. It is, just beginning, and it's a few things up there now, but it's a lot more coming as time goes by. I had a lot of guys hit me up about businesses. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you have a business, make sure you shoot me an email if you want your business featured on Merkabah Academy. It's a lot of businesses, Black owned, that's basically going to be featured on there. It's going to be basically a hub. I'm going to have, basically almost a map for every hood in America. You might as well say all the Black communities, where you can go and find businesses. There also will be an app from Merkabah Academy. So the phone site, it's not really up and running right now because the app is still being worked on, but the app will launch soon. But if you're on your laptop, if you're on a desktop, the site will work fine, but the app is coming soon. But yeah, if you're an entrepreneur, you have a business online or what have you, make sure you shoot me an email at realmerkabah@gmail.com. So I can get your business featured on the site. Now also Meditation 3 will be releasing in a few days, as well as Ancient History Volume 6. If you get the new flash drive cell, it comes with Dark Light Consciousness. It comes with this book, as well as these crystals here that we're going to be talking about in the Crystals DVD. So this book we're going to be going through in Meditation Part 3. So the new flash drive cell comes with this book, as well as these crystals, and it includes all 60, it will be 60 now new digital downloads, 60 in total, I should say, 3 new. So it comes with all those as well. So definitely take advantage of that. Now, as I said, Merkabah Academy will be a part of a larger platform that's going to be releasing this year. So it's definitely going to help people really get much needed information, and a lot of resources going to be put on the site to help you guys grow economically. So again, as I said, if you are a Black entrepreneur, you have a website, whatever, make sure you shoot me an email at therealmerkabah@gmail.com. Let me know your website, send me any pictures, and let me know what you do or what have you, so we can feature you on the site and get people to come in and basically give you business. So this is a platform that I think is needed for us to basically spread Black businesses and get people to support as much as possible. The problem is a lot of people have no idea how many Black businesses are out there and who is selling what, and what people are actually doing. So I really want to feature as much information as possible for a lot of these Black entrepreneurs to really get the word out. And it's been doing well so far with a project I've been working on, which I'll get into later on. But Merkabah Academy has launched. Definitely become a member. Definitely check it out. It's different options for people, and it's also free as well. You can go on there and set up a free account. You won't have complete access, but you'll be able to really still get a lot of information that you need. But definitely want to check it out, and just remember, starting it off, it's a lot more to come. The site will be growing and stuff will be added daily and weekly. And it's definitely something you want to look at now, because once you start growing and developing, you want to be a part of that. Everybody who's locked in as a lifetime member is definitely was worth it. Trust me on that. And you'll see why later on. But I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch and support. Thanks to all the members, and I'll see you guys next video.